In last video we have seen how to derive the formula for surface area of cube and cuboid. We have seen that LSA of a cube is 4a square, TSA, that means total surface area of a cube, is 6a square, LSA of a cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H, and total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on these formulas. So the first question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room as well as ceiling at the rate of 7.5 rupees 7.5 per meter square. So we have here length as 5 meter, breadth as 4 meter and height of the room is 3 meter. Now we need to find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room. So before that, first we need to find area of the room to whitewash. So area of the room, they have told 4 walls plus the ceiling. So area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling we need to find out. Then only we can find out area of the painting. So area of ceiling. Now area of 4 walls is nothing but LSA of the cuboid, since the room is in the shape of the cuboid and we need to find the area of the 4 walls. So it is LSA of cuboid, and area of ceiling is nothing but length into breadth. So in the previous video we have seen this, that is area of 4 walls, that is lateral surface area of the cuboid, it is nothing but 2 into L plus B into H, and area of the ceiling. So area of the ceiling, this part, area of the top as well as area of the bottom is LB, and area of front and back is LH, and the side 1 and side 2 area is BH. So since we need to find area of the ceiling, we have to add LB. Now we will substitute the values. 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3 plus LB, that is 5 into 4. So which is equal to 2 into 9 into 3, that is 2 9s are 18, 18 3s are 54. So you can write 54 plus 20 is 74 meter square. Again we need to find out cost of whitewashing this much area. Cost of whitewashing 1 meter square rate is 7.5. So cost for whitewashing the area 74 meter square will be cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square will be 74 into 7.5, which is equal to rupees 555. 555 rupees you need to spend to whitewash a room with 4 walls and the ceiling. So here we have used the formula for LSA of a cuboid. LSA of cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. Again area of the ceiling is length into breadth. Now the second question is, floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. We know that perimeter of the rectangle formula, we know it is 2 into L plus B. So that is given as 250 meter. If the cost of painting 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. So cost of painting 4 walls they have given as 15,000. 15,000 is the cost of the painting. We need to find height of the wall, and they have given at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. That also they have given in the data. So we need to find height of the wall, and we know that to find the area of 4 walls we can use the formula of LSA of cuboid which is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. And here we know we have 2 into L plus B is 250. H we don't know. Let the H be height of the wall. We will take as H only. Now cost of painting at rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000. That means the LSA, when you find out LSA of a cuboid, we will get area of the 4 walls we will be getting into 10 per meter square, since the cost of painting is rupees 10 and multiplying it, total cost is 15,000. Now we need to find out the value of H. 2 into L plus B is 250 into H into 10 equal to 15,000. Therefore H is equal to 15,000 divided by 2,500. So when you cancel this, we will get the value of H as 6 meter. So height of the wall is 6 meter. Now next question, paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimension 22.5 cm into 10 cm into 7.5 cm can be painted out of this container? So we need to paint the brick, and the brick is in the shape of a cuboid. So your top portion, bottom portion, side 1, side 2, top, bottom, front, back, all the faces of the brick we need to paint, and the brick is in the shape of the cuboid. So first we need to find out area of one brick. How many bricks of dimension? So first we need to find area of one brick, that is total surface area of TSA of one brick. Total surface area of one brick is nothing but TSA of cuboid, since brick is in the shape of cuboid. Now we know TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So here they have given the dimension, length as 22.5 centimeter, breadth as 10 centimeter and height as 7.5 centimeter. We can substitute this. TSA of cuboid is 2 into 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 22.5 into 7.5, so which is equal to 2 into 22.5 into 10 is 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. So when you do this, we'll get, when you add this, we have 468.75. So which is equal to 937.5 centimeter square. But since they have given in meter square, the paint in certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. Since we got the answer in centimeter square, I need to convert into meter square. So when I convert, I will be having 0.09375 meter square, because we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter, and since it is meter square, 4 digit you need to put the decimal point, and area of one brick is this much. And so how many bricks you can paint? So total number of bricks that can be painted using this much, the area in the paint, quantity of paint in the listing they have given. So it is equal to 9.375 divided by 0.09375. So if decimal is there in the denominator, we need to remove that. So I have to multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits I have to multiply, so that my decimal will get shifted to the right side. The same way 5 digit here also I have to multiply. So the answer is 100 bricks is needed. With 100 bricks, or the total number of bricks that can be painted is 100. So next, a cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. So you can see a cube and cuboid. cube is having the edge 10 centimeter, and cuboidal box is having length as 12.5, width as 10 and height as 8. We need to find which has got greater lateral surface area and which box has got smaller lateral total surface area, and by how much. So first I'll find LSA of cube. LSA of cube is 4a square, which is equal to 4 into 10 square, which is equal to 400 centimeter square. Now I'll find LSA of cuboid. So LSA of cuboid formula is 2 into L plus B into H, which is equal to 2 into 12.5 plus 10 into 8. So which is equal to 2 into 22.5 into 8 is 360 centimeter square. So here we can see that cube is having cube has got greater lateral surface area than cuboid, and by how much they have asked. So we need to subtract 400 minus 360, which is equal to 40 centimeter square. Cube is having greater lateral surface area than cuboid. Next question is, which box has smaller total surface area and by how much. So TSA, in the same way we will find first TSA of a cube is 6a square, 6 into 10 square, that is equal to 600 centimeter square. Again TSA of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now we need to substitute the values. So 2 into LB 12.5 into 10 plus BH, that is 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. So when you do this, we have 125 plus 80 plus 100. So when you add 2 into 305, when you add this, we'll get 305. So which is equal to 610. So I can say that cuboid is having, or cube is having, they have asked which has got smaller total surface area. Again cube is having smaller total surface area, and by how much, smaller TSA, by how much, 610 minus 600 is equal to 10 centimeter square. So thank you for watching my video.